Injera is a beloved Ethiopian flatbread crafted from teff flour, a staple in Ethiopian cuisine. To whip up a batch of this delightful bread, kick things off by combining 1½ cups of teff flour with 2 cups of water in a generous bowl. Mix until the batter is silky and devoid of any lumps. Allow the batter to rest at room temperature for 3 days, giving it time to ferment and develop flavor. Once the batter is ready, heat a non-stick skillet on medium heat. Pour a ladle of batter onto the skillet, swirling it to create a thin, uniform layer. Cook the injera for 2 to 3 minutes, or until bubbles start to pop on the surface and the edges lift slightly. Remove the injera from the skillet and repeat the process with the remaining batter. Traditionally, injera is enjoyed with hearty stews and vibrant vegetables, making for a truly authentic Ethiopian meal. Indulge in the fruits of your labor and savor the taste of your very own homemade injera.